Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Friday, December 16th, 2011. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a max potential of 42 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed at our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we gapped up this morning. Opened up just outside of our high probability gap range at 1217.75. The market was pushing higher. We actually had a signal to get long. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 8 ticks. We then cut through our moving average back down to our open, had a little bit of a bounce there on an extension short. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 7 ticks. As we went back through the moving average up until our previous day's high at the 10 o'clock reversal time frame, we did get a full swing off targets 1, targets 2 for 11 ticks to the high side, and then shortly thereafter we had an extreme tick reading right around 10:20. Then the market came through our moving average, gave a nice signal short. We came down and hit our profit target for number 2, but we only hit it on one candle. Market actually bounced and ended up stopping us out before ultimately rolling over and taking us into what would have been a profitable trade. But during that time, there was actually a little bit of a reset. We came back into right before the lunchtime dead zone, had a signal to get short, but just like we didn't get filled on that profit target on one candle, our entry also hit to the tick on one candle, so it was no fill there. Even though it did go on to hit targets 1 and targets 2, we do not count that on the daily video. The market then started selling off pretty quickly into the dead zone here. We went all the way down, actually closed our half gap, closed our 415 gap, and pushed down towards our 4 o'clock gap before finally getting a little bit of a bounce there coming out of the lunchtime dead zone. There was a signal to get long, but we don't initiate any new trades until after 1:15, so we're kind of sitting on our hands a bit, and it's not until 2 o'clock we get an opportunity to get short. That does produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 9 ticks. Goes back down to that 4 o'clock close, finds a little bit of support for a bounce through our moving average, gave one last signal long right around the 3 o'clock time frame. That did hit targets 1 and targets 2 before selling off right into the close. So we ended up closing right about where we did on Thursday. So all in all, it was a great day. 6 trades, 42 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.